Alright guys, so in this videos I'm going to show you how you can buy credit. It is very simple and straightforward. The first thing you want to do is to click on this side. When you click on this side, you click on this base bar, right? And it's going to take you to the base bar page. This is where you're going to see all of your credit purchase history, the available credit you have, aside from showing you on the dashboard, and also how payout works. Okay, you can go through this and read it so that you know how payout works. So first thing that you do if you want to buy credit is to click on this buy button. When you click on this buy button, it's going to take you to the Bizimi Paystack gateway, where you can put in your first name, your last name, and you make sure that you include your valid email address. All right, include your valid functioning email address. Then you put in the amount. Of course, you buying credit. The minimum is 10 credit, so the platform charges and the exchange rate is from 10 credits is equivalent to 500 naira, so that is the minimum. So if you want to buy more, if you want to buy like 20 credit, it has to be like 1,000, like that, up to like that. You understand? So that's how you calculate the rate. And once you click on that, you buy it, you check your email. They're going to email you a reference ID. Okay, so first and foremost, what you do, we click on after buying your credit, you are going to receive an email from Paystack. All right, and then they're going to email you with a reference ID. So what you do is to once you get the reference ID, copy the reference ID, click on the topic button, and then enter the exact amount that you pay with. All right, let's say pay like 1,000. Make sure that you want to enter 1,000. And when you enter 1,000, the system is going to give you the total credit you're going to get. Of course, like I said, the rate is operating is 10 credits equals to 500 naira. So whatever amount that you enter is going to calculate, and you can see that. And this is where you can enter your reference IDs, right? So you make sure that you want to enter your reference ID. Okay. So you put in the reference IDs and then click on verify, and upon successful verification, it's going to show verification successful, and you might not see the credit added immediately. What you need to do, you make sure that you want to refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you're going to what? You're going to see the credit added. So thanks guys for watching, and this is how you can buy credit.